Ladies, let's talk. They hyped up the 18 and 30. But 40? Oh, they left out some crucial details. Buckle up, it's about to get real and funny. 1. Perimenopause. The plot twist. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the heat wave? 1 minute you are cool and collected. The next you are sweating like you ran a marathon. Just sitting still like I am. Hormones are out here throwing tantrums like toddlers. Tip: always carry a fan. Drink water like it's your full-time job. Tell those flashes, not today's Saturn. 2. Weight loss. Weight loss becomes hide and seek. You eat a salad and gain 3 pounds. Meanwhile, the next day, you eat a burger and drops 5. The math is not mathing. Tip: stop chasing diets. Focus on health, walk, hydrate, and maybe don't eat the cake every day. Balance, ladies. 3. Confidence. Peak level. Now, here's the upside. In your 40s, you stop caring about what people think. Got a wrinkle? It's called life experience. Someone doesn't like you? They can join the club with your stretch marks. Tip: own your flaws. They are like badges of honor. Confidence is your secret weapon. 4. Teenagers are tiny lawyers. If you have got teens like I do, you know they are like mini attorneys, always arguing, always finding loopholes. Meanwhile, you are just trying to figure out TikTok. Tip: stay calm, pick your battles, and remember, they will move out someday, hopefully. 5. Dating over 40. A new frontier. Single? Dating apps are wild. You'll swipe past gym selfies, blurry pics, and bios that just say, ask me anything. Sir, you're not a mystery novel. Set your standards. That's the tip. Tip: stop settling for good enough. You are 40s something queens. 6. Life's unexpected plot twist. You may find yourself caring for your parents, chasing new dreams, or just wondering why your back hurts after sleeping wrong. It's like life handed you a new job description without training. Tip: take it one day at a time. Stretch, meditate, laugh, and always make time for yourself. 40 isn't the end. It's the start of your unapologetic era. Embrace the hot flashes, the wisdom, and yes, the teenagers. Because, girl, you are fabulous.